Okay, so let's first start off by going here to our Google Chrome. Then we're going to search for sites.google.com, and then press enter. So this is available for phone and laptop. But right now I'm using a laptop. Sorry. Okay, so it's loading. So this one is actually also available for phone. So what you can do is, also go to Google Sites. If it says there to go to desktop, what you do is you go to the three dots on your phone, and then go to desktop site, and then it will reload, and then you can be able to make your site. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this dummy sites. What you do is just press this plus button here to make your own website. Okay, so it's still loading. Okay, so you can see here, you can put title here. I just named this dummy site. This is the title of your page. And then you can see here, there is this undo last action, redo last action, there's also preview. Then you can also change the titles and others there. So you can add text box there. Let's say maybe like, welcome to my website. And then you can see this multiple dots here. What you can do, once it turns into this like 4 arrows facing up, down, left, and then right, what you do is you hold on it, and then you can move wherever you want. Like maybe here, if you want it here as subtitle. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can put it here or anywhere you want. See? Okay, I'm just gonna put it there. And then, if you want to add images, what you can do is here, press images, you can upload. So it will upload anything in your drive, in your Google Drive. Okay, wait, it's loading. Sorry, something keeps popping up. Okay, so you can do anything here, whatever images you need. Excuse me. And then there's also another choice, select. So yeah, this is select from your Google Drive. So there you go. Embed here, this is for the link, for any link. Let's say maybe for any link that you need, maybe your website, maybe if you want people to have a link for your website. Then there's this drive. So what this Google Drive does, it will show you anything in your drive, like say maybe any files, any videos, that. And then you can see also, if you scroll down, you can also see layouts. So if you can click on any layout if you don't have an idea, or if you don't want custom. So there. And then you can just delete it here if you check here. But if you're using phone, you just click on whatever here in the layout, and then just remove it here like that. And then there's also collapsible text. Collapsible text, like, let's just say whatever your name website. So like, welcome to your name of the website. And yeah. And then you can see that there's this arrow. This is actually for like subtitles. But if you don't want that, you can actually remove it. If you want to remove the text, just press this trash icon. Next, there's this table of contents. This is really useful. So if you put example, okay, so it says add headings and they will appear in your table of contents. Okay, so let's add a text box. And then you can see this arrow here for normal text. You can make it heading. So maybe let's say homepage. So when you type that, you can see it appeared here on your table of contents. So you can just click that, and then it will go to wherever you typed it. So maybe you wrote like a long passage, something, blah blah blah. They can just go back to wherever, like in the book, if it's long and then they want to go to a page. So yeah, you can do that. I'm just gonna remove that. And then there's this image carousel. What this does, it will let you add what do you call this? Add images, and then you can swipe it to the right or left, and then it will show you other images. So let's say upload image. So wherever your picture is, wait a second. Let's say this one. Okay. If you add that like that, and then you can add as much pictures as you like. I'm going to select another image. Second. Oh, it's lagging, sorry. So let's put this here. Let's open this. And there, if you can see, you can insert it. So it needs to have at least 2 images. But you can make it longer than 2 images. Excuse me. So there, if you can see, it's like that. You can do preview. Then you scroll down. You can see there's this arrow. You can press it like that. There, so you have your image carousel. Now there's this thing called button. So what you do, maybe you can say like channel link. And then you just put your link here. You just copy paste or control V. Yeah, there. So let's say, okay, let's give an example. Okay, so let's say maybe this one. Let's just do that. And then control V, there. Then insert. So you can extend it so they can see the name. And then if you do preview, if you click on it, it will go here to wherever you put the link or whatever link you put there. So yeah, like that. So next up is preview. Next, there's this called divider. It's just this like long line. You can adjust it wherever here like that, but we don't need that right now. I'll just X this. And then there's this placeholder. This placeholder will let you upload anything here. Select image or from drive, YouTube, calendar, or map. Okay, so that's that. And then there's YouTube. Yeah, what this YouTube does, let's say maybe you want to search for our latest video, maybe the Gina's Garden. So it might take you some words to be able to find your video, but yeah. Okay, here we go. So just put productive parts so that will work. There you go. See? So example. And then in a second, yeah, you can adjust it. So there's our video. So if you go to preview, you scroll down, you can actually watch it from the website. Okay, let's just test it. Oh, and don't forget, if you haven't watched it yet, I suggest that you watch our Gina's Garden video in Quezon. Okay, so there you go. Next, there is this calendar. I don't think we've actually used this. So whatever like schedule you made, you can actually add it here to your website. Then map. Let's say maybe Gina's Garden. Garden and Farm, yeah. So this is in Quezon, Philippines. There you can control this. There, to zoom in, to zoom out. There you go. You can just drag it and then you can just select it. And then if you press select, they can actually, here, so preview, there. you can actually move it. So it's like an interactive map in your website. There you go. And then you can actually see here the preview. There you go. Control plus to zoom. Okay, anyways, there you go. So you can extend it like that. There you go. And then there's this other button called the docs, or like this is documents. Like any long word form you wrote, you can add it here to the website. Slides, Google Slides, it is also found. You can just search, I think just search for Google Slides, yeah. And then any slide that you made in Google Slides, you can just add it all here. I actually haven't tested it yet, but if you guys already know about this, the Google Slides, I suggest you comment down below to tell me what actually it does, because I'm not quite sure what it does. Sheets, yeah, it just shows the sheets like maybe like what's the upcoming videos, and then it will show on this date like that, and blah blah blah. Forms, Google Forms. This is really useful. Okay, so I have this actually also in our website. So example, maybe you made a form. You can, I'm not sure if you can do two. Okay, you can only do one at a time. So you insert. Once you oops, this is wrong. Form. Sorry, wait a second. Comment form. Select. Okay, there you go. So we made this form. It's called the comment box. Oh, and if you haven't seen yet our website, I'll be putting it in the link in the description box down below, or you can check on your upper right screen. There will be something popping out for our website. So I suggest you guys to check that out. So without further ado, let's continue to the next. Okay, this is all of it. There's this also called charts. So any charts here that you made, you can also add it here. Like maybe you want to show them how many videos you've been doing for the past month, like that, or something. I don't know why would you want to show them how many videos you did here. So you can see there's filter pages here, and there's this home page. What you can do, you can duplicate page, or you can look for its properties. Yeah. And then you can also do add sub page. To add another page, you add here, sorry, you add this plus button. You can either do new page or new link. So if you add new page, like maybe name it comment page, or whatever you want to name it. Oops. Sorry, accidentally click something. And then here, the comment page there. So if you use it in preview, you can see like, okay, like how in the world will you get to your other pages? That's actually a good question. What you do here in navigation, you can actually do mode on the top or on the side. For us, we use the side, so let's just look at side. Then there's transparent, white or black, so maybe you'd want black. There, it affected this one. There, if you do preview, let's check it again. There, now you can see it up here. Now 3. Now you can see here all the other pages. The comment and the home. There you go. So, you can actually also see themes here, like this. Font style, you can make it pink, green, or whatever color you want. Then there are other themes here. You just search for it. Well, actually there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So what you just do is, yeah, just pick whatever you want. And actually that's it. To excuse me, wait a second. To publish, just press here, this publish button, and then your web address, this is like the name. So it says here https://sites.google.com/view/ and maybe you want to say your name, so, or your channel name, so maybe YouTube. Do not make it too short because it will not allow it. Oh, okay, we cannot do YouTube. So it says here only use lowercase letters, numbers, and dashes. So yeah. So whatever name you want, you can actually do that. Then you can add a domain. Or you can manage whoever can see this. Okay. So you can share it and links so everyone can see it. Okay, so let's cancel. So that's actually how you do it, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you want any other videos, I suggest you comment down below, and our website will be in the description box. Oh, and yeah, don't forget to check out our website. So here, it's loading. Okay, so there. So we did already lots of pages here. So I suggest you guys take a look at it. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye!